negative first. Oop. Right there. Make sure that your production date is not past 6 months, so that you know that your battery is still good. If your Elantra has the start-stop feature, you might want to upgrade your battery to the EFB style battery. I'll put that part number for that. It's good for cars that use the start-stop technology. Like this. Good. Nice. Off this there. There. Goes on like this. Good. Good. Little spark here. There you go. Good. And thanks for watching. Till next time, out.